What information did you get about the September 21 thing? All these reports going around of failed withdrawal support. What exactly did you hear? And if you can give us an idea where you heard it from or who you heard it from.
Meron tayong mga nakakalap na impormasyon. As you know, embedded naman yung mga ano natin, may mga classmate pa ako dyan sa serbisyo. Very active yung grupo ng mga Duterte. Ang objective nila is to install Sara as president. Yun ang gumagalaw actively. Ngayon, may mga non-aligned officers na concerned lang dito sa mga nangyari na nagtutulak din ng reset, parang ganon. Then, iba't ibang scenarios. Ngayon, ano yung threat level? The threat level is nasa mid, no? Mid or medium level threat. Pagka nagkaroon siguro ng panibagong politically charged incident or crisis, they may take advantage of that situation again. So, yun lang yun.
You mean another massive rally? Is that what you mean? Another massive rally against corruption that they may take advantage of?
Sinubukan yun. That was their idea nung gusto nilang i-hijack yung genuine expression of grievance and disgust ng taong bayan. Gusto nilang ipaling to an ouster. Pero hindi sila nagtagumpay. Pero what I'm referring to is let's say a second envelope type incident na politically charged, kung magganunan, that may be an opportunity. Ngayon, may active group, ang bottom line dito, may active group na gusto talagang makabalik sa pwesto yung mga Duterte.
But how high is that, sir? How high up? Kasi, you know, di ba, you don't naman need to cover all the bases. You just need to cover the right bases for you to get a successful operation going.
Well, at this point in time, ang model lang naman na pwedeng paghuhugutan ay yung EDSA 2 model, yung withdrawal. Kasi wala namang organizing or recruiting na nangyayari on the ground. Kasi bukod sa they don't have time, wala namang gumagawa, walang makagawa. Ganon. So, ito na lang ang tinitignan nila. That's what they're hoping for. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang pangliligaw nila dun sa mga AFP leadership. Pero, hindi naman sila binibigyan ng atensyon. The AFP is focused on the security concerns. At lang yan, parang side distraction lang yan. However, having said that, kung magkakaroon ng political impasse, they will be forced to confront that issue. And probably they will cross the bridge when they get there. Depende yun. Pero ang nahagit natin ay okay, Sara, by and large, ng AFP.
Pero sir, same time kasi you said kanina na merong non-aligned officers who are concerned sa mga nangyari at nagtutulak ng reset. When you say reset kasi, I suppose by that you mean start from scratch or start from zero politically. And kumbaga,
yes. Okay.
Burado lahat ng nasa, well, maybe that's the wrong word. Tanggal lahat.
Ika-clarify ko lang, Eda, mga retired. Sa mga active, walang passive yung mga active officers. Hindi sila gumagalaw either way. Pero yung mga retired, merong grupo nila Duterte, merong retired na mga non-aligned, yun ang nire-refer ko.
So this active group, Senator, yung sinasabi mo gusto talaga maibalik sila Duterte, how big are they or how influential are they?
May mga sila, dati silang mga general din. Pero iba na yung mindset ng mga active officers once nag-retire na yan. Okay, they will respect them as senior officers, retirees, pero they cannot command them anymore. Ultimately, it's going to be their call. And sa ngayon, ang ano nila, they're loyal to the Constitution and the chain of command.